Good morning, guys. So I was talking to you about this is part two of the video. I was talking to you about the science video. Just so you're aware, I kind of went into what it looks like for the different things you can go explore. Check all these things out. It's a really fun little thing to kind of go through. If you don't get a chance, or you should have a chance to do this, but you can kind of pull out and look at where the Jupiter is in the place of everything. But there's a lot of good information, and so definitely take the time to look at this website, and you can get a lot of good information. I'm going to go back to Jupiter though, and I'm going to go into Planet Explorer and Jupiter. Now, here's the thing. If you're struggling with reading some of the information on Jupiter or on any of these things, it is hard to make this read out for you using ReadWrite. So if you're finding that it's too hard to read on this, come up here for Planets for Kids, or you can go up to different things. Find your planet. I'm going to go to the gas giant Jupiter, and they have a lot of good information. And right here, you can use the ReadWrite tool to help you out. It should be coming up. I don't know why it's not coming up. It was up. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. If I keep pushing it up and down, it probably doesn't work so good. All right, so I'm gonna start my thing right here. Kind of go right here. I'm gonna highlight all this, and it's gonna tell me a little bit about what I want to know.
The planet Jupiter is named after the supreme Roman god. To the ancient Greeks, he was known as Zeus, ruler of the Greek gods, and Mount Olympus. Key facts and summary. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the biggest planet of our solar system. Some consider it a failed star since it is made out of swirling gases and liquids such as 90% hydrogen and 10% helium, very similar to the Sun.
Okay.
Jupiter is the fourth brightest object.
All right. So I've got a couple facts from that already. So I'm going to go into my writing piece that I had open, and I want to get something going here. So I'm going to go ahead and click right here. And I don't know why I don't have that out. And I want to create a topic, and I'm going to click on my Talk for Me device, so that'll help out, right? So let me try this out. Okay, so Jupiter. Okay, and then I'm going to come down here to writing purpose. Again, I'm going to hit this device, the Talk and Type, to make everyone want to visit Jupiter. My opinion is Jupiter is the best planet, right? Jupiter is the best planet, comma, it is named after gods, comma, it might have been a star at one time, period. It is the best planet. Okay. Actually, you don't even need to do that. You could just say Jupiter is the best planet. Your supporting facts would be down here. And so I'm going to come up here and give a supporting fact. Jupiter would have been a star, period. I'm going to go find another fact. One thing I know is that Jupiter is primarily all gas, comma, but it has constant storms happening. And so these are some of the things. Now, when you do your practice sentences, you might want to say something like, you only need to do 3 of these, by the way. You might want to say something like, how you would introduce your topic. I think Jupiter is the best planet because it is so huge, period. Okay, and then maybe another sentence might be using your facts and